If you're looking to upgrade your home and kitchen with products that are actually practical, durable, and worth your money, this video is for you. And make sure you stick around for number 1 because it's a complete home upgrade that can instantly change the way your space looks and feels. Let's get started with number 3. At number 3, we have a simple solution for anyone dealing with a cluttered, messy kitchen counter after doing the dishes. This double-tier automatic draining rack is designed to maximize vertical space, perfect for smaller kitchens. It features a dedicated top tier for plates, along with a spacious bottom rack for bowls, cups, and mugs. What really stands out is the built-in grooved drain board, which automatically directs water straight into your sink, keeping your countertop clean and dry without any extra effort. It also comes with useful attachments like a utensil holder and a separate cup rack, making it a versatile all-in-one organizer for your everyday kitchenware. Just keep in mind, you'll need at least 21 inches of cabinet clearance to fit it comfortably above your sink. If you're tired of dealing with a wet, cluttered countertop, this might be worth checking out. At number 2, we have a smart solution for anyone dealing with heavy-duty kitchen tasks like draining, steaming, or deep frying. This multifunctional basket is made from high-quality stainless steel and features a fine mesh design that allows for fast drainage and proper air circulation. It comes with a secure lid and front latch, so you can safely hold everything from fresh vegetables to seafood, whether you're washing, steaming, or even boiling directly inside the basket. Its high heat resistance makes it suitable for both everyday stovetop use and more demanding cooking tasks. Plus, the smooth, rust-resistant surface keeps it hygienic and easy to maintain over time. People like this because it works as a durable, all-in-one solution for both food prep and kitchen organization. If you often deal with messy food prep or need a reliable tool for steaming and draining, this might be worth checking out. At number 1, we have a stunning way to transform a dull, dimly lit space into something bright, elegant, and truly eye-catching. This modern luxury crystal chandelier uses an integrated light source to deliver consistent, high-quality illumination. The design features multiple interlocking rings, each encrusted with K9 crystals and supported by a chrome-finished stainless steel base. When switched on, the crystals beautifully refract the light, creating a premium, high-end glow that works as both a main light source and a statement centerpiece. You can choose between cool white or warm white lighting to perfectly match your room's atmosphere. Plus, the all-in-one installation design makes it relatively simple to set up without complicated wiring. If you want to instantly elevate your room with a high-end look and better lighting, this might be worth checking out. So, which one of these would you actually add to your home? If you're interested in any of these products, you'll find all the links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. I always try to feature products that are practical, useful, and actually worth the money, so if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for more.